Welcome to QuoteMan. In this video, you will learn step by step on how to create a Proforma invoice in QuoteMan. First, log into your QuoteMan account using your registered mobile number and password. Once you are logged in, click on the quotation option from the menu bar. Now, click on the plus sign button on a particular quotation to get started. Carefully review all the Proforma invoice details such as customer information, items, pricing, etc. Next, enter the customer purchase order details if available. Fill the payment request details as shown on screen. QuoteMan gives you the option to calculate the exact amount by entering the percent and the value for calculation. Once everything is filled, click on the submit button. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the Proforma invoice has been created successfully. You can also create a Proforma invoice directly from Proforma Invoice option from the menu bar. Now, click on the Create Proforma Invoice button on the top right corner of the page to get started. You can either create Proforma invoice directly or from an existing quotation of a particular customer. Here we select for an existing quotation, select the particular customer and customer quotations from drop-down menu. Carefully review all the invoice details such as customer information, items, and pricing. Next, enter the customer purchase order details if available. Fill the payment request details as shown on screen. Once everything is filled correctly, click on the submit button. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the Proforma invoice has been created successfully. That's it. You have successfully created a Proforma invoice in QuoteMan. Thank you for watching. Visit quoteman.in to manage your quotations and invoices more efficiently.